enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि pastry guys only think about diamonds, designer brands, champagne and parties, then think again. You will be surprised, but ये opinions रखते हैं about serious issues as well. जैसे कि IPL की controversy, जहां पाकिस्तानी players को ban कर दिया है क्रिकेट खेलने से, वहीं हो रहा है physical और emotional अत्याचार with हमारे देसी भाई in ऑस्ट्रेलिया. तो एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन डायरेक्टर Baz Luhrmann और आर्टिस्ट विंसेंट फेंटाजो आए हमारे पेस्ट्रीइट्स के बीच and decided to spread the message of peace. तो क्या सोचते हैं हमारे celebs? Should Pakistan be banned from playing? Should Australia be allowed to play? जब हमने कर दिया है पाकिस्तानीज को खेलने से पहले ही out. Let's check out the exhibition of peace and what our famous pastry people have to say.
मेरे ख्याल से किसी एक गुनाह के लिए सब लोगों को गुनहगार नहीं ठहराना चाहिए. स्पोर्ट्स में they talk about the spirit of sportsmanship and वो देखनी चाहिए. I think Pakistani cricketers should be allowed to play, definitely.
India is going through a very strange phase right now politically, where I think certain things need to be corrected immediately. Divisive politics does not work. They're very, very stern, and they take quick and stern action against people that practice divisive politics, because you allow it to go a little bit, it's going to go a huge distance. I think it's very important to nip the issue in the bud right now and tell people what they can do and what they cannot do.
I think any kind of revolting against an ethnic community is wrong. I don't think we can justify any act of violent thought against any one ethnic community. Whether it's Australia or Pakistan doesn't really matter. Both are wrong.
Well, celebs तो रहते हैं in full support of what they think is right. फिर स्टाइल और पार्टीज ही क्यों, पाकिस्तान के प्लेयर्स को IPL में खेलने दिया जाए या नहीं, ऐसे सीरियस इश्यूज को लेकर भी इनके व्यूज है forthright. अंजलि सिंह, Zoom, मुंबई.